Hey y'all, welcome back to Fly after 50, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I had to take a couple of weeks off in February, just to recharge and spend time with my family. So I am back and I'm raring to go with my videos. I'm trying this one with my camera, so hopefully it cooperates. But y'all, in this video, I just want to show my face real quick. But in this video, it's going to be a short video where you're going to see the eyeshadow palettes I'm using in the month of February. Normally when I do my eyeshadow looks, I post them onto Instagram so you can see them before they get combined in my ranking video at the end of the month. But this month, since it's Black History Month, I'm just posting like Black History facts, African facts, and things like that on my channel, on my page. So that's what you're going to see there. And I'll probably upload these pictures at the end of the month. But just so you know, that's why you don't see them there. But y'all, on to the video.